Alright you guys, so we're at the Rosewood Miramar Beach, Santa Barbara, California. This is the Lanai King Room. This is one of our favorite resorts to stay at. So when you walk in, here you have your bedroom. King size bed, really nice plush suite sheets. You have a dresser for his and hers on that side. Over here you have your dining room table. You have about a 50-inch TV over here. When you open this, you have your mini bar. You have your snacks, your waters, your refrigerator. Over here you have also where your alcohol is at. If you come back this way, you have your closet area. So you have where you store your luggage, hangers to hang your clothes. Over here you have your safe to put your personal belongings, more dresser space. You have a mirror, a makeup mirror over here where the ladies can get ready. Over here you have your bathroom. Really nice tub. Everything has marble finishes. In here you have your walk-in shower. Really big walk-in shower. Bench over there. You could literally probably fit like 8 people in there if you wanted to. Over here you have your his and her sinks. 2 mirrors. You have your toilet room. And as you walk back this way, you have a mirror to look at after you get ready. Make sure your outfit is good. And as you walk through the room, you have your balcony, which has 2 lounge chairs and a beautiful view of the courtyard. It's honestly lit up at night. These lamps are lit up, there's fire all around, and it's really beautiful scenery. So again, we're at the Rosewood Miramar Beach. This is another room that's here and one of our favorite places to stay. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you at the next one.